Hello everyone, hope you're good. In my today's video, I will be showing you about how you can use the full screen display in your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So in this device, if you want to use the full screen display or if you want to enable the feature of the full screen display, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can use the full screen display in your device. Let's watch it.